Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
What a wonderful.
I've been a little demotivated to do YouTube. Like I've been feeling uninspired. I wouldn't say demotivated. Like I would do it if I felt inspired by any ideas, but I feel like I have like zero inspiring ideas and decided to just pick up the camera today and vlog anyway. It is Wednesday the 29th of September and I just woke up. I've been having really like lazy days. Like I just sit in bed all day and I don't really do much, but I just ordered some matcha and a blueberry muffin from Starbucks because actually interesting fact. Okay, I don't think it's interesting, but if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you know I was like a major coffee addict. The funny thing though is that I haven't had coffee in 4 months. Like I've had decaf coffee, but I haven't had caffeinated coffee in 4 months for anxiety reasons. So I've replaced coffee with matcha, and I'm actually liking matcha more than I liked coffee, which is like, for me to say this is like insane. So with matcha I still get a little bit of caffeine, but not that much where it makes me anxious. Like I just, just like a kick. Like I get like a kick that I need. So yeah, I ordered some matcha and blueberry muffin. Yeah, I'm just hungry. We'll wait for that. My breakfast is here. If you guys haven't tried this blueberry scone from Starbucks, sorry, not scone, muffin from Starbucks, you have to try it. It's so good. It has cream cheese and stuff in it. It's really good. And I'm not a big muffin gal or a big blueberry gal, but this blueberry muffin I'm a gal for. Cheers. I just finished showering. Comment down below, by the way, if you know where my shirt is from. It says vote for Pedro. I'll be really happy if you know where it's from. But I'm wearing really like comfy clothes just because it's a chill day. I'm gonna get my nails done soon. And yeah, Shane, by the way, Shane sent me flowers because I was having a rough day, so we love Shane. I got some new stuff for my room, so it came today, so we're gonna open it, do a little haul, set up my room. I put these lights up, if you guys can see on my bed thing. Just, little things here and there to make my room a little more like personal and cuter. So I'm excited. So let's do that. By the way, I was watching Sex and the City, if you guys can see that, so ignore that. I'm gonna get scissors and then we're gonna open up the package. But yeah, I think I need bigger scissors. I'm really struggling. Be right back. We have this little artwork that I got, and then we have this too. This is actually really similar to my tattoo, I think. This one, is it the same thing? Oh my god, I have a tattoo of this. Literally guys, I'm not even joking. Didn't even realize that when I ordered it, but whatever, it's cute. So we have these two little small things I'm probably gonna put on one of these walls, maybe above my TV or like on that wall, because that wall's a little, actually I think I'll put on that wall because that wall's a little empty next to my door. This however needs to be built, so we're gonna do that later when we get back because I need to go get my nails done. I'm not gonna lie, this is not exactly what I wanted and I'm not really loving my nails. I usually go to this place in Bandra, but I was really lazy to go all the way to Bandra for my nails today, so I just found a random place near my house and went there, and I have learned my lesson. I'm not gonna try new things and take risks because I'm not loving whatever this is. I actually showed a picture of something else, but something else happened. Yeah, I'm gonna change these nails as soon as I have time, but I'm going home now. Don't know what else to say. I'm home now, which means it's time to build my hanger. It's looking a little complicated, and also this is all they gave for like guidelines on how to build this shit. I've never built anything in my life, so I'm not looking forward to this. I'm also a little confused as to what exactly is going on, but we're gonna try our best. Finished one hanging thing. Now we have 4 more of these to go, but I think I'm getting the hang of it, so it's done. I built this whole thing and I've never been proud of myself, honestly. All the screws and the bolts and the everything, I did it myself. And now to see if it works, we hang our first thing on here. Ooh, I love it. I also just hung this up here, this little bohemian thing. I don't know if this is the best spot for it. I kind of like it next to the bathroom door. It adds some, you know, essence. I think I might get a plant to go under there so it like looks like a cute little corner. So the room is officially complete. Let me give you a quick little room tour. So we enter here and I have my cute little corner with my wall art and then my little stand that I built with like a little plant. Very cute. It says all my bags and hats and masks and stuff like that. So very cute little corner here. Then we have my TV and my books there, and then just random storage stuff that I'll be moving later. And then here I hung the little bohemian thing, very cute. And then I put those lights around the wall, like around my bed wall, so you know the bed looks all cute. I also like did my bed and added the bedding and everything, and those little things, they're a little tilted, I'll fix that later. But yeah, I have my ring light over here in the corner just for when I need to film content and stuff. Here is my little vanity corner. We have the flowers that Shane sent me today over here, and then I have a little corner here with my hairspray, some face oils for when I do my makeup, perfume, a little mug with my name on it that has all my makeup brushes, and then I have all my makeup over here. I'm getting a little makeup organizer so this will look less messy once that comes, and also for my jewelry. I also have more jewelry, I just don't know where it is. I need to find it. But yeah, this is my little makeup corner. I also finally put all my clothes in my closet. Oh yeah, and my vanity also has this little light for when I'm doing my makeup, so you know it's like better lighting. Here's my little closet with all my clothes. The top light's not working, we need to fix that, but like it's gonna be like that. That's just storage that needs to be cleaned eventually. But yeah, that's my room. This is how my room looks at night time, and it's all like time for cozy time. Super cute. And yeah, we just got South Indian food. We have prawns. What is that?
Egg.
Egg?
Pukku.
What is that?
Chicken railway curry.
And we have appams and we have lamb chops.
How do you know?
So that was a fun day. Did my nails. Also, by the way, these nails are growing on me. Like I don't hate them as much anymore. It's not what I asked for, but I kind of like, it's growing on me. I don't hate it anymore. So maybe I'll keep the nails for a little bit and not let it be a waste of my money. Today was a fun day. We did some building. We did some interior designing. You hung out with me. It was a simple day, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me while I'm in India. And I will see you guys in my next video.